Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I will be trying to mix Polygel with color dip powder again because I will be doing like a dark to light shades of nude pink and red. There's one thing that I noticed though, my fingernails on my left and right hand are not the same size. I don't know if you guys also have this, but my fingernails on my right hand are a bit bigger than my left. Maybe because I'm right-handed and I use this hand more, I don't know. So I'm gonna start with buffing my nails. And trimming down the length using this nail clipper. So I usually let my nails stay for like 1 to 2 weeks after I make new ones, but Polygel could stay for as long as 3 to 4 weeks if the application is right. But I want to keep the content running, so I just make new ones after 2 weeks or so. After trimming my nails, I'm gonna use my nail file to smooth out the edges. I will be using tips today, and these are my natural tips. I also bought them from Shopee for like 100 pesos. So I'm gonna pick my sizes and glue them to my nails. After trimming down the length of the tip and wrapping up the surface, I'm gonna apply a thin layer of base coat. So this is the nude pink Polygel, and I'm gonna mix it with this red dip powder. I have my mixing plate there, tapping dish, and of course alcohol as my slip. I'm gonna put 5 little globs of this nude pink Polygel, maybe enough for each nail because I will be doing like a fade of red. I would also like to answer some of the questions I got on my previous videos, like what method do I prefer or what lasts longer. But just a disclaimer here, I'm not a licensed nail tech. I just love doing my own nails. I like to do DIYs and stuff, and I like to share with you guys. So this first question here from Trisha May Lecitona, how to remove Polygel ball. I hope you can make a video about that. Okay, I removed my Polygel by filing it down and soaking it with acetone. And yes, I will upload a video soon on how I remove my own Polygel. And I will also show there the nail goodies I bought again from Shopee. Most of them are nail tools. Next one is from Erica Fuzz. She asked, ba't yung iba tinatanggal yung dual form? So I already replied in her comment, and dual forms are like molders of polygel. So after you put some polygel in it, you stick it with your nail and then you cure it. It is also called pop it because after you cure it, you're gonna pop it off the nail so you have like a smooth finish on the polygel. Unlike nail forms, dual forms is put above the nail while the paper forms go under, so it serves as like a support when you're sculpting the nails. Next comment is from Mary Grace Arcinas. She asks, where did I buy my nail stuff and what shop in Shopee? So as you guys know, I buy my nail goodies in Shopee, and the sellers I usually buy from are sasklo.ph and Kenneth and Bella. The prices there are cheap, but the quality is so good. So I also got questions asking why their polygel nails didn't last, and I think the reason for them are the base coat. It is really important to have a base coat because where you put it is where the polygel will stick. It could also be with the prepping. I usually don't show how I prep my nails, but what I do is I just push back my cuticles and scrape some of the dead skin. So there you have it. Maybe some other questions I will answer it on my next video. is after all of my nails are done, and I have noticed there that the more you mix polygel with powders, the more air bubbles it will create, as you can see on my thumb and index finger, which is like darker than the rest of the nails. But I'm gonna try if I can file this off. So I'm removing the tacky layer of the polygel with some alcohol, and then I'm gonna get my nail file and shape these nails. So these are my nails. I really love pink and red. I think they look cute. It reminds me of Barbie a bit. So thank you guys for watching. Comment down below what you think, or if you have any questions, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.